Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna be discuss how to download iOS 17 and use features on your iPhone. So let's get started without wasting time. First of all, open up your Safari browser and then search for betaprofile.dev and then scroll it down. It's available to a beta profile. As you can see guys, it's available iOS 16.6, so it's available iOS 70. So as you can see guys, it's iOS 70 coming on June 5 to get beta profile and IPSW files for iOS 70 beta. So it's available on your beta profile. This type of it's available iOS 16.6. You will show iOS 70 beta, so you download and install. Tap here and then tap on install, tap on allow, close it, go back, open up your settings and then tap on profile, download it, go to install, give it your passcode and then again tap on install, tap on install, tap on not now and then done. So close this page, open up your settings and then scroll down, got it on the general and the software update. It's available iOS 16.6. you have showing iOS 17, so you got it on the beta updates. As you can see guys, you select iOS 16 publish beta, so you select this one. Is available on this site is iOS 70 download. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe my channel. You have any problem, let me know comment. I help you more. Thanks for watching.